On May 7, 2024, around 1:15 p.m. Whitehall police in Columbus, Ohio, were alerted via flock cameras to a stolen vehicle from an aggravated robbery. The chase started in Whitehall and involved Columbus police.
Six rewind up to 640.
Thank you.
Here for 604, here as well, for your route.
604 to channel 3.
Chopper still southbound. Take me eastbound.
See, I can't see.
Chopper was when you head towards Harrisburg Pike here.
I can't see, bro. How did you make it through all this? You ran it all over.
63123, okay.
Are they agree on all in this place?
6315 in Riverbend.
Your chopper is the entranceway to the Book Stadium. Your left, Mount Street, or southbound.
Out, get off.
The suspects, known for car theft, switched vehicles and collided with a police cruiser near Climb and Riverbend roads. After a successful pit maneuver, officers arrested both teens, who are now held in juvenile detention. On Sunday, June 5, 2022, around 7:43 p.m., a motorcycle was observed driving recklessly northbound on I-75/85 near Langford Parkway. Despite lights and sirens for a traffic stop, the driver, Alexander Aldridge of Jonesboro, ignored them and initiated a high-speed pursuit.
Coming up on Lee Street.
There's no rollercoaster leak. Shut me out. What is it? 1080. What year is it?
Just taking right on up street. Keep going to the parking lot. He's going. He's not stopping. Going to the mile, man. One stand mile, make a right on RDA.
We're making right on RDA going past that's off.
Going back, gonna be going north on Lee.
Clear North Valley Street. 793 Atlantic. You see a fire, helicopter.
They're gonna be passing Hannah Terrace now.
We're taking a right, going northbound on Jonesboro Road. Right?
Hey, wait, right?
He's slow down. Pull over. He's stopping. Get off the bike. Get off. Get off the bike. Get off. Get Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
What I do?
What did you do?
What did I do?
I don't know.
The chase spanned I-20, local streets, and I-285 south, with speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. Aldridge was eventually arrested by Corporal Smith for fleeing, reckless driving, driving with a suspended license, and an expired tag. The motorcycle was towed, and Aldridge was booked into Fulton County Jail. While on patrol, the police noticed a man riding a motorcycle. When they ordered him to stop, he unexpectedly accelerated, swerving dangerously and attempting to flee.
We're at North Street and Burnsville. Turning west onto Burnsville Street from North Street. Unknown state on it.
Get off now! Step off the bike! Get on your face now! Put your arms out! Face away from me!
A pursuit ensued through various streets, with law enforcement persistently following. Recognizing the danger of continuing the direct chase, the police used clever tactics, closing in from behind and forcing the violator onto a dead-end road near the forest. The motorcycle wobbled to a halt in front of a small workshop. The driver, intoxicated and out of control, was forced to surrender.
Where's your wallet at? I don't have a wallet.
Do you have a driver's license?
On March 19, 2024, Trooper James Booth pursued Jimmy Clark in a black Nissan SUV speeding at 83 miles per hour on I-430.
Traffic flag. Traffic Wall Street. Crash out, crash out.
The chase ended on South Woodrow after a tactical vehicle intervention. Clark, wanted by Benton PD, was arrested and taken to Pulaski County Jail. In the United States, many reckless individuals attempt to evade law enforcement, leading to horrific accidents. Reports estimate that around 300,000 pursuits are conducted by local law enforcement agencies each year.
North on Dallas Springs, north on Dallas Springs, number 140. Copy that. Still going under 30, continuing westbound. We're now northbound on running down. We're now turning eastbound on Washita. Eastbound on Washita. This is a roundabout, guys. There's only one way out of here. The way we came in. Coming up on the turn. Now we're on Washita Place. Washita Place. Looks like we might be coming up.
You cut my cover. You got him. Do not move.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Do not move. Just stay there.
How can I go? I'm scared.
Keep your hands up.
I'm scared.
Keep your hands up.
Police efforts to apprehend and prevent such actions ensure community safety and demonstrate their determination to uphold public order and traffic safety. On January 28, 2024, an officer saw a gold Jeep Patriot with a poorly secured Arkansas's temporary tag on Interstate 40. The driver sped up aggressively when signaled to stop.
Heading north on Shore, 822. To the left on 23rd. Being a right on 3rd Street, heading left on Parker. No traffic. North on Park, left between 2nd, heading left on 18th. Passing Dyer. Heading left on Jones, heading back south on Jones, go to Burrow. No, we're going through a parking lot, heading north on Jones. Taking a left, heading westbound on 16th, dead end.
Are you okay?
The pursuit, reaching 110 miles per hour, continued on I-40 and through various streets. The Jeep turned off its lights but remained visible. It eventually struck the officer's vehicle on West 16th Street. The chase ended when the officer's patrol unit crashed into a yard, damaging two vehicles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support us in spreading positive messages. Wishing you safe driving.